Hi guys, welcome back to week 5 of distance learning. I hope you've been enjoying the projects so far. I know I've been enjoying seeing what you guys are creating. Last week we worked on friendship bracelets. Many of you sent me pictures of your bracelets and they are looking fantastic. I also love the fact that you're sharing these activities with your brothers and sisters. And I can see you guys are having a lot of fun. This week we're going to do something super easy, super fun. We are going to be making our very own watercolor paints. This is something that you can do using only 2 ingredients that many of you have at home. So follow along step by step as we make our very own watercolor paints. Guys, you just made your very own watercolor paints. Now it's time to make our own paintings. For this, you're going to need something to paint on. Paper, an envelope, old page from a book, newspaper. It'd be really cool to see painted on newspaper. Something to paint on. So, now it's time to get painting. But wait, Mrs. Graves, I don't have any paintbrushes. Well, you are in luck because I have some fun ideas for you to try to make your very own paintbrush. Every once in a while, even when I'm painting or any other professional illustrator are painting, we need a specific tool to get the job done. Many illustrators make their own brushes to get specific textures in their paintings. My favorite tool for that is a clothespin. Clothespins are awesome because they're cheap. Almost everybody has one in their home and they can clip onto things. So try putting a feather in the clothespin. Try putting a leaf. Try putting cut up pieces of paper. Try putting dry noodles in there. The possibilities are endless. So have fun, give it a try, and enjoy making your art. Thank you guys for joining me. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, and enjoy this time you're having with your family. I will see you next week. Bye.